would you like to start making money by just taking a couple quick pictures with your phone? It really doesn't get any easier than that. Hey, it's Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and I'm going to walk you through how to make money with an app called JobSpotter. Now, JobSpotter is actually by Indeed, and if you've done any sort of job hunting online, you've probably heard of them before, Indeed.com. It's a huge website. Now, this is simply an app for your phone. It's available both on Android and on Apple devices. And here's how it works. You simply download the app from your store, Apple or Google, wherever you are, and then you follow the prompts to create an account. Once you've created an account, simply slide through the little tutorial that tells you what to do. Number one, your app is going to need access to your location. Why? Because you're actually going to be taking pictures of help wanted signs that you see out and about in storefronts. So you see a storefront that has a sign saying help wanted, you're simply going to take a picture of it. They need access to your location so they can verify the actual spot that you're taking that picture from. So you take a picture of the actual help wanted sign itself, but then you also need to kind of back up and take a picture of the storefront with the sign of the name on it so they can really understand what store is looking for help. That's it. You simply hit submit, and once those photos get reviewed, that they're legit and they're readable, you actually earn points with the app. Then once you've accumulated some points, you can actually redeem them for Amazon gift cards. Amazon gift cards these days, it's really as good as money. You can buy almost anything on Amazon. Beyond just submitting your own pictures, you can actually verify other people's pictures, and you can earn points that way as well. Now, it's really only about 20 seconds or so of work, takes like no time at all. So it's super easy, super simple to do when you're out running around, going shopping, running errands, just out and about in your day. If you see a sign, stop for a second, take a couple pictures and submit it and make money. Both with Google and an Apple, it has a 4.3 stars out of 5. And people are excited about making money, super simple. They do say it can be glitchy from time to time, but it really is paying out and they're actually making money with this. One lady described it as just a nice little present for herself, that it really didn't take any extra time out of her day. And after a couple weeks, she just buy herself something kind of fun for free off of Amazon as a reward. Now, this isn't going to replace any sort of full-time income. This isn't going to give you time freedom, financial freedom, any of that stuff. It's just a way to get some extra cash and not really have to work for it. It's just in your day, just take a couple pictures. It's super easy. It doesn't pay enough to actually justify getting in your car and driving around trying to find help wanted signs. This should be something that's integrated in what you're already doing. Just think of it as some bonus cash that you can buy yourself a little present with, which is taking a few pictures. It's really kind of cool. I've downloaded the app. I'm excited to start using it and go Amazon shopping. Now, if you're actually looking to make full-time, real online income where you can walk away from your job, where you can have actual financial freedom, time freedom, live wherever you want in the world, if that's the kind of lifestyle that you're actually looking for, then you need to click on the link at the top of the description to get access to our training. We're going to walk you through how to set that up, how to go from 0 to 6 figures online and then 6 figures and above. So make sure that you click that link to get access to that training. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you're new to the channel, well, if you don't subscribe, we can't help you. So subscribe so we can help you out. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. Head over to this video up above my head and I'll see you soon.